morning everyone. We're just checking out from this hotel. Now heading to bring the car. Plan is instead of staying 2 nights in Rameshwaram, we are just staying 1 night in Rameshwaram. Now we'll go to see Ram Setu and Dhanushkodi, and from there we plan to move towards Tirupati. We might take a hotel somewhere around 6 o'clock, wherever we find a good hotel, and when we want to stop driving, so at least we can save that much day, and then tomorrow we have less driving.
Dhanushkodi means tip of the bow. It is believed that Lord Ram pointed to the end of his bow and asked his troops to build a bridge across the ocean to reach Lanka. So here on the right hand side we can see the Indian Ocean, and on the left hand side is the Bay of Bengal. Dhanushkodi is now known as the ghost town.
Arichal Munai.
Arichal Munai. We actually have to go till there. It's 6 o'clock, and here we can see the sunrise. You can see the sun's rays from the clouds. The naughty fellow is standing on the roof and enjoying the breeze. So now we are heading towards Arichal Munai. It is the point where Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean meet. See this angry Indian Ocean over here, and on the other side you can see the calm Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is very calm, and here the Indian Ocean is angry. This place is known as Arichal Munai. Here is the moon, and here the sun is rising. Sunrise is so beautiful. I don't know how much justice this videos will not do, but see the sun's rays over here. It's so amazing. It's a pillar, and on the pillar you can see the emblem of India.
Arichal Munai.
Over here you can see the Ram Setu line. So it's there only, correct. The people there, they are walking. See, this is Ram Setu. So exactly
we are here. The car is parked here, and just opposite us is Ram Setu. So this is that point
where the people over here are standing. So that is the point where it is Ram Setu.
That is Arichal Munai. Just opposite us is Ram Setu. The whole thing. Hanumanji face Ram Setu, Shri Ram Setu. So this particular thing is Ram Setu, the road that they had created using the floating stones, and then start Sri Lanka. And the same thing you will see there. And there Vaishali is helping tourists to take their pictures. She is charging 100 rupees per picture.
happened right now is like we guys came ahead and Nilesh Kaka's car, they were like drifting in some area. Now their car is stuck in that sand portion. It's actually a ATV bike track and वहाँ पे कार फंस गई है. So we are like, again going to help them. So यहाँ पे कार फंस चुकी है. So he's like planning to take this rope and try and remove it. Oh, let's see. So we'll planning वहाँ से we'll take 700 का वो hook use करके. So hook मिल चुका है 700 का and then we'll just put this string into that hook and then we'll try removing it. कुछ लो सही से hook.
लाइट कर दो.
पहली वाला काम आ. So here we remove the hook of the car and now we'll put the string over there and
लेता हो उसमें.
so we'll take the car reverse and then we'll put it over there. अभी हमने हुक इंस्टॉल कर दिया है कार में एंड अभी हम उसको खींचेंगे. So 700 is helping Grand Item to get off that off-road track.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. So we'll tie the rope tight, very tight because वो बार-बार निकल जाती है. ऐसा टाइट बांधना कि निकलती ना.
3, 2, 1. Boom!
Oh याहू 700 निकाल दी पूरी गाड़ी को. बस भाई बस. थंबनेल पर मली गयो.
थंबनेल पर मली गयो.
नीलेश काका फस.
ઓઇલ બહુ છે એટલે જરા ક્લીન કરીને કરવું પડશે.
ખોલના કોઈ ને.
Discussion is going on what to take for breakfast. We have already ordered tea.
So Panchmukhi Hanuman roof, we are here at this temple to see the floating rock. So actually the floating rock is placed over here. So we are here to see the floating rock. Let's go. So this is Hanuman. So this is Hanuman and here we are towards the floating stone. But so now we are moving away from the tip of India and going towards Tirupati. Chalo. So that's the Ram Setu on the map.
See here, you can see.
There are some floating rocks too.
Then you go towards Sri Lanka.
And this
Yeah.
is going towards
Sri Lanka.
See, it's written Ram Setu, Adams Bridge.
Yeah.
This is India. અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય છે અને અહીંયા સુધી છે. This is Sri Lanka.
You know, the Ram Setu is actually 48 kilometers long. Not that much, but it's big.
Oh, this is the recent accident which has taken place on this road, National Highway.
We just found this fruit people here and just stopped by to buy some. Happy there. Today Drish is sponsoring the fruits for us.
हमने क्यों जगह पर पड़ी है साउथ इंडियन से? बैंगलोर में रहे थे.
So now everyone is having jackfruit, that is panas. And here see the kids are having for the first time and they are really enjoying eating this. And it was very fresh. वाह, ये अच्छा तरीका है. मेरे को एक मुंटड़ा दे.
Gastric flour, 65, pepper curry, Manchurian, Dragon paneer, Kadai mushroom, chili paneer. क्या चाहिए आपको? Gents first, no ladies. Noodles, कौन सा noodles? गोभी, मशरूम, पनीर, Szechuan mixed. गोभी, मशरूम, पनीर, Szechuan mixed. क्या फ्राइड राइस चाहिए?
So now we have reached Vellore. And before checking in the hotel, we are going to visit Sri Lakshmi Narayani Golden Temple. This is the place where we are going now, and now we are going for the parking. So Drish was a little bit uncomfortable. He had a stomach pain. So
some vomiting.
he was not so comfortable, so he vomited a bit. But the best part I really liked over here was Janya is literally helping Drish, to clean up the mess and to cheer him up.